guys, my name is Byron with Bug Out with Byron.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Bug Out with Byron here. So today we're gonna kind of do like a little, I guess like a trailer video on my auto detailing business that is going to come after my vacation in Florida, roughly in the middle of August or something. So my Harley, old red, if y'all follow me on social media platforms, you may know what I'm talking about. And as you can see, she is pretty dirty. So again, guys, we're just gonna kind of do a little preview on it and see what y'all guys think. So we're going to time lapse me cleaning old red over here. Guys, now that we cleaned it all up, just look at the difference. Beautiful, guys. Now we're gonna move on to Old Blue. Here's beautiful Old Blue, guys. And she is dirty, but that is no problem at all. We will get her cleaned up in no time. Just watch. All right, guys, so we got finished with Old Blue and she is looking nice. Woo! Almost looks show quality, guys. And then after that, we will move on to Tiffany. So if y'all guys haven't watched any of my previous episodes because y'all are freaking lame, you know that I work at Papa John's now. And whenever I was working at UPS, there was a car wash right next to me. So I was able to wash my car every day. However, now I can't. You can see the wheels look all dirty. Inside the wheels, right in there. Ugh. All this, look. That is nasty, guys. Bug Out with Byron. So we are going to back her up and get her cleaned up really quick. Alright, guys, so I forgot to record me washing Old Blue. However, you saw the end products of the couple pictures and it looks beautiful, as well as the video that I showed. I guess whenever I went to start washing it, I didn't hit record or something. So got the pressure washer and we got Tiffany and we are about to get started. So quick story real quick. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, Mom bought a pressure washer. All right, that's cool. I said, hey Mom, can I borrow your pressure washer? She goes, yeah, I haven't set it up yet. I'm like, oh, okay, I can hook up the hose, XYZ. Well, guess what? It wanted all this stuff put together, like this and this, putting the oil in, putting the gas in, putting the tray in, guys, it took like 30 minutes because I can't read directions. So now we are finally ready to get started. Halfway. Got to pull my car out. Now we got to rinse the bucket, or put some stuff in the bucket. That's the wash right there. And hook the garden hose up to the pressure washer. And then we will get started. So we will catch you after I set up the pressure washer and my bucket of wash. Alright guys, so I didn't think about this before. However, my hose only reaches to about right here, so we're gonna have to move my car up a little bit more. So we will do that real quick. Alright guys, so that includes us washing our Volkswagen Golf GTI, baby. Now I got multiple towels to dry it off with. Alright guys, so it is pretty much dry, and this is not even the finished product, but she looks better than what she did, I'll say that. Again guys, this is not the actual stuff I'm going to use for my detailing business. This is just a little, I guess, trailer like pre-show for it. Just showing y'all what normal products will look like. Then whenever I get back from Florida and save up a couple dollars, then I actually get the equipment that I want and need to start it. So we will catch you back whenever we're about to put on our other stuff. Alright guys, so my interior, not gonna lie to you, I'm not gonna show you all that to the finished product because it is extremely messy in there. So what we're gonna do is we're going to vacuum the inside, make it look all pretty, and then I can show you. But here in a little bit, after I get my car cleaned up, the inside of it, then we're going to go somewhere, I'm not for sure where yet, and take some pictures of this beautiful masterpiece to show y'all what it looks like, guys. Stay tuned here in 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, so we have officially cleaned the inside of my car. Yes, I know there's a little bit of stuff right there. However, whenever I get my detailing brush, then I will make it look a lot better. So, everything looks beautiful. Again, I have my drinks and my manicure pouch down there. I cleaned the back seat. And I have my work stuff and my hat and my mask. And then of course my boots. And guys, we are almost done. We'll catch you back inside in 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, so we decided to not go back inside because y'all tell me that inside is lame. Which I cannot disagree with. It is a little lame, guys. So we're gonna get Tank. What you doing, boy? Ready to go inside? He's ready to go inside. So we are going to get him. Are you gonna say hi to the camera? You gonna say hi? Say hello. Now I'm hoping he does not run whenever. Okay, he's good. So guys, he doesn't really like obeying sometimes. And so we have to keep him on the leash and within sight. But that's besides the point, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Teespring's down below in the link. Don't forget to support your boy's business. And then whenever I get back from Florida, think about hitting me up so that we can I can detail your car. I will have a lot better equipment. So I will have a lot better equipment, as well as I'll do a lot more research on what I myself can do to help out my business with the auto detailing. And then guys, we will become entrepreneurs. I'm also looking at doing some more coding type stuff, possibly like Python, and then possibly looking into Kali Linux. So mine's rolling. I'm back on Robinhood. If y'all know what that is, it is a investment app for people that don't 100% know what to do. So it kind of helps them out, kind of guides them and stuff. If you sign up using my link, then I get a free stock as well as you do. So we're going to try to remember to put Robinhood down in the link below. So guys, that seems to be it for today. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and buy some of my Teespring stuff, as well as hit me up for some auto detailing, or if you know anyone around Corydon, Indiana, to Louisville, to Meade County, to Painville, to E-Town, Radcliffe area that wants to get their car detailed. I've been looking at prices maybe around $100 to $200. Guys, hit me up. Bug out with Byron out.